Alright, so guys, we're there over Hellshire. And we see this artist youth walk up and I'm gonna show you some of my work when they use my peeps. And I just want to check it out, see that?
Yeah, Usain Bolt.
Alright, so what's your name, boss?
Your name Kemar Ellis.
Kemar Ellis.
From Portmore.
How long you had this, Kemar?
15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
Zine. I love your work. So this was something I did in school and things?
Yeah.
Oh, zine. So what, you do live join? Say more, you do a live join. Right. So where your Instagram or Facebook page?
Top sketch.
Top sketch?
JA.
Top sketch JA?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what I'm going to feature your thing on the page. The persons can support them. Like if persons want painting and so on, they can just contact you.
Yeah.
Send in photos and you do.
Yeah.
Join up the photos and things. So like how long? Something like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
I want a live sketch right now, zine. Alright then, so Kemar, so just tell them a contact number if you want to.
My number is 558-6621.
Alright then, Kemar, alright then. Work up on it. Like this dead stamp what you see, and hopefully you see into this video and can support the boss because this is natural, raw talent. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, commission you to do a join on me right now and thing. But I love your work and this speed is a work of art. Something like this, right? So they use for the 9 to 5, like a 9 to 5, and they help pay the bills, right? So these are some where you go to school for like Edna Manley and anything, right?
No.
Oh, we don't plan to go to school for further, right?
Yeah, we're going to try to save up some money.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So like if persons are keep like event and they want a live person on scene to do some live drawing, you would normally go there, you work at them event and thing?
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. So I want to message you for youths out there where in a Jamaica now they don't for themselves and they have that natural talent. So that's something I have to say to them.
Well, find a skill. The greatest thing is have a skill. You know, whether you're a plumber, artist, welder, greatest thing to have a skill and sit down and not do nothing.
True. Yeah, work on your talent and it can bring in a little change. Really smells that, brother. Really smells. I appreciate that because once I see a man with him talent and I try something, we support it anytime, you see me?
True.
And that's the key, you see me? That's the way we transform Jamaica, you see me?
Yeah.
Got Captain in it.
Yeah, man, this
Come
is
on,
the
just go
artist
up more. Yeah.
doing them thing, man. Just like you. Yeah, man, capture it, man.
Watch out, man. The beats. Great. Man, great. Yeah.
Then
Go on, man. Smart, brother. Bad, man. See the peeps. See there? Well loud. Our peeps. And as you know, me look, Chef Meds, see there? Dead stop. So this is the final work peeps. And as you know, me look, Chef Meds, see there? Dead stop, see there? Proper. So you say people them can contact you. With it, so I'm gonna link your numbers and everything, so persons can look in the description for your number.
yeah.
And just tell them which part again are there and what inspire for you to do this type of work and everything there.
Yeah, when they Portmore, Hellshire Beach, get me inspiration from God. Just get up and start
Yeah.
self-taught artists.
See.
This is the strength there.
Alright then, my brother. Alright, I respect that. And as you see, you have a talent and you have push to your talent. That's the greatest thing, you see me?
Sure.
And each and every one of us, when we have a talent, we have to dig deep in ourselves and use the talent, make we look at us, you see me?
Yeah.
And stop prayer next man thing, because that's the great. We have talent,
Yeah.
are the greatest thing that you see me?
True.
And I have to support your work, brother. Once I see that pass, I have to support the thing. And see the peeps. Shall see the Babylon shall fall, cap same speed. Respect. Peeps. So literally the bar step more less than about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to do this joint. Me I move up as my sister say. So me I move up and that kind of, you know, really slow him up to kind of exactly the way I didn't give me the authorization for move. But see me peeps, real authentic. I'm wanting to support him work. Please me I beg you to support him work. This a natural real talent. Big up yourself, you know. I respect again, is it?
Alright.
Cool, me see. Alright, so peace. Before me leave, I just make Kemar leave with all and contact me.
Facebook, Kemar Ellis. My
And
number is 558-6621.
alright, then peace. So make sure to link him, support him, and support him work. And I see the live join. And as I say, each one help one, you see me, and that time out of it, 2020, you see me, we have to help support one another, you see me. And once you see somebody do the positive work, just try stop, support them, feature them, and do everything what you can do, you see me. And that's the way forward.
Yeah.
Big up yourself,
Big
yeah,
up.
brother. Alright.